How to log in PLDT Wi-Fi admin page. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to modem, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open a web browser, type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar, and press enter. This action will take you to the login page. Here enter your username and password. The default username is admin and password is 1234. After entering these credentials, click Login. Once you are logged in, you'll see the router admin dashboard. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi password, check connected devices, update firmware, and more. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to log in, try accessing https://192.168.1.1. If you see a message saying your connection is not private, click on Advanced and then proceed to 192.168.1.1 unsafe. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.